welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we are about to change the oil on the Cobra. How we looking? Oil change, order a new alternator, wash, as this thing is freaking really dirty. I'm gonna get a Bluetooth system in here too, man. I'm tired of using the, what's it called? Little radio transmitter. I think it sounds so good though. What's up, y'all? We back. So the car's a little low, so I can't get the jack under there. So I'm gonna grab some of these mud flaps and just put them under the car, drive them or drive over them a little bit so I can get some more clearance. Let's show y'all. Jacked it up from right here on the subframe connector. I'm gonna put a jack stand next to it. I heard you should, when you do the oil change, you should jack it up on this side. So it's kind of what I'm doing. So yeah. Okay, drain oil. Historically, I have a problem with not wearing gloves. Like, I'm like fucking stupid. Filter's off, oil's drained. About to put a new filter on, but I'm gonna put run a half a quart just through the engine, just to, you know, clean it out a little bit, and then we'll bolt everything back up, lower the car, and put oil back in it. This thing supposedly takes like, what, 6.5 quarts, so just try to put that in there. Just right here. This is the 6th quart. That's good, man. All right, on YouTube, I saw a dude say you should just prime the car pressing the clutch and the race at the same time, and it'll prime itself. Any oil leak? All right, y'all. y'all. I just did a final check. Everything looks fine. Car sounds good. Oil level's good. I'm gonna check it one more time, but man, shit. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear how good this thing sounds? No leaks. What's good, family? Let's do this, man. For real. Oh, we gotta take the top off, man. Alright, y'all. We in the Cobra, top down.